The way I analyze, you can also analyze the same. Yeah, let us jump in there and we see traders. This is the trade that I actually took. Is it the one? No, not this one. I took USD JPY this morning, and it really went so fast and so well. Yeah, this is it. So with the USD JPY, it was just so simple and easy peasy. Yeah, can you say easy peasy? I took it this morning, and my lowest time frame was 1 hour. Yeah, but even if my lowest time frame was 1 hour, the trade really functioned so fantastically.